When you gotta shut her down, think of Red Fox.
Red Fox builds a piece of equipment that will attach to a gas engine or electric motor. We have a transmitter that's on the person. When you hit the transmitter button, it will shut down the piece of equipment that is mounted on. In short, Red Fox is all about preventing accidents, saving lives, and protecting your investment in your equipment. Red Fox came about by, we had a seed plant on the farm, and we had a switch that could stop and start the electric motors, and we had it tethered. And I thought, well, what if I couldn't reach that stop button and I got hung up on a piece of equipment? What would I do? And immediately, the Lord just, it gave me a one word, wireless. And I thought, yeah, we could do that. We could put a wireless switch in here.
My dad decided to design and build a wireless shutoff switch because the safety switch that we had on the mill was not close enough to him or my brothers to be able to shut it off in case of an accident.
And then one night, I was working late, and a big gust of wind came out of nowhere, blew my coattail up in this belt and this electric motor on the seed plant, on the seed mill, and it was dragging me in, and I pushed and pushed, I could not get loose. And then I thought, that transmitter button is on my coat pocket. So I hit that transmitter button and the whole mill just shut down. My coat was all thrashed, I wasn't hurt, and I thought, you know, if this happened to me, I bet it happened, or it could happen to a lot of other people.
And it saved his life.
So what if a kid got caught, or it was actually a family member, got caught in an auger that was driven off a powered takeoff of a tractor? I said, you know, we should put this on mobile equipment too. So we built one for that, and it worked great.
And he has built an amazing device that can save lives, and he's finally starting to get that business in order to prevent those accidents.
And I saw a need for other farmers and other people that operate in equipment of any nature that's operating with a gas or diesel engine or electric motor, and needs to shut it down now, and for whatever safety reasons or just for convenience.
My name is Frank Seiler. I am the Director of Inland Northwest Industrial Training, and we provide electrical and safety training for electricians and the electrical trades in the Inland Northwest. As a safety professional, I'm always mindful of the many accidents that get reported around industrial machinery, mechanical devices, and what is often missing are ways of shutting down the machinery quickly to prevent injury.
Well, just with my personal experience, when I got hung up in this piece of equipment, I had 2-3 seconds there where I was able to hit the transmitter button, shut down that piece of equipment. Another 10 seconds, I'd have been hung up bad. So you do have a little bit of time right up front.
Having the ability to quickly shut down equipment in the event of a mishap can mean the difference between life and death.
For example, if you have a construction project and you have many pieces of equipment that are operating, and for example, an older man or even a younger man happens to have a heart attack, this equipment is just running free wherever, and the foreman on the job could see that and immediately hit his transmitter button. It could shut down that individual piece of equipment, or maybe other pieces if it's all programmed. That would save lives, save property damage.
Our shutoff switch
has been installed on rock crushers, locomotives, oil and gas trucks, ATVs, grain tank facilities,
track hose, dozers, forklifts, tractors, engine-driven pumps, concrete beam manufacturers, buses, vans, welding wire drawing machines, fishing boats,
some military training equipment, jet skis, correction facilities, motorcycles, construction equipment.
To learn more about our products, go to our website.